Wow! Look out there! It's time to play! Come on, ball, let's go! The weather is great! My friends and I are going to play football this afternoon. Acho. Bless you, Ben. Are you okay? Not really. My nose feels stuffy, and my head hurts a little bit. I'm sorry you feel sick, sweetie. Let's check that temperature. Oh, dear. Your forehead is very hot, Ben. You have a fever. A fever? But, what about my football match this afternoon?
No soccer today, Ben. Health comes first. Let's check your temperature.
Oh, all right.
Good boy. All right, buddy, just a moment.
Beep, beep.
Looks like a little fever. Don't worry, we'll take care of you. 101 degrees. You caught a cold, Ben. You need to stay in bed and rest.
Let's check where it hurts. Point to your head, Ben. It's here. My head aches. It feels heavy. How about your throat? Does it hurt when you swallow? Yes, it does. Yes, my throat is scratchy and sore. Let me check your nose, patient Ben. Okay, Lily. Just a little look. Stay still. Tickles. Your nose is runny, Ben. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Oh, really? Yes, my nose is runny and stuffy.
I brought you this. This cool cloth will help lower your temperature, son.
Ah, that feels so cool and relaxing on my forehead. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough, cough. Oh. Oh. Ben's cough sounds like a barking puppy. Drink a little bit of this warm tea right now, Ben. It will calm your throat. Goop, goop. The honey lemon tea tastes sweet and warm. My throat feels much better.
Very good. Warm liquids help your chest and throat feel relaxed.
Now I need to listen to your heart and chest, big brother. Breathe in deeply. And breathe out. Good job. Breathe in, breathe out. Is my heart beating normally, Dr. Lily? Yes. Your heart is beating fine, but you need to rest more. I think you need some extra hugs.
I prescribe bedtime stories for you.
Okay, you're all better. I brought you some chicken soup. I hope you feel better soon. It smells delicious, Mom. I'm starting to feel a little hungry. Chicken soup is the best medicine when you have a cold, Ben. Here, take a bite. Hot soup warms up my whole body. While you eat, Do you want me to read a story to you, Ben?
Yes, Lily.
Once upon a time in a land of rainbows. Yes, please, Lily. Read the story about the brave little dinosaur. Okay, Ben, I'll start right away. Once upon a time, there was a green dinosaur who loved running in the forest. There once was a magical forest filled with ancient trees and twinkling lights. Good morning. I feel much better today. No more fever. Your forehead is cool now. Really? My nose isn't stuffy anymore, and my throat doesn't hurt. Good morning. Let's make today a great day.
That means your body fought off the cold successfully.
Yay! The patient is fully cured. Hooray! No more coughing. Dad, can I go outside and play football with my friends now?
Oh!
We'll see, Ben. Yes, you can. But remember to wash your hands often and keep your body warm.
I will. Hand washing keeps the germs away. Good morning, everyone.
Ready for the day?
Let's go. Yes, so happy. Isn't this place perfect, kids? It's amazing. Let's go inside. Yes. Go for it, Ben. Kick it. Whoa, nice one. Watch out. Got it. Go. Over here. Ha. Goal. Ha. Good job, Ben. They're doing so well.
Look at that pass!
Go, go, go!
Wow, our new home looks amazing.
It's so pretty, just like a castle.
Yes, it's perfect. And right on the field.
Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you next time. Goodbye.